Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Harry's Breakthrough. This is a mathematics class for 7th standard students. The last week we had learned our first unit, that is adding angles. And in that class we had learned about linear pairs and how to find the angles in a linear pairs. Do you remember that? If you want to watch that class again, I am giving the link of that class in the description box. You can watch the class again. Okay. So we have some more portions remaining in that unit. So let's discuss the last portion of first unit in this part 2. Okay. So let's start. Topic is cutting across. Here you can see a linear pair and one angle is given, that is 75 degree. So in this figure, how much is the angle on the left side? You know how to find that angle? How can we find that? We can subtract the 75 from 180 degree, right? So 180 degree minus 75 degree is equal to 105 degree or 105 degree, right? Okay. Suppose if we extend the upper line downwards, what will happen? Here we got two more angles underneath, right? Okay, how much is each? How much will be these two angles? How can we find that? So here you can see a slanted line. Here you can see a red slanted line. And on the left side of this slanted line, you can see a pair of linear angles. And also on the right side, you can see another linear pair. So using the idea of linear pair, you can find these two angles. So on the left side, we can subtract this 105 degree or 105 degree from 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 105 degree is equal to 75 degree. And on the right side, we have another linear pair and we can subtract this 75 from 180 degree. So if we subtract 75 from 180 degree, we will get 105 degree. So like that, you can find the angles. Okay. So in the figure below also, two lines cut across each other. Can you compute the other three angles marked? How can we find that? Here also we can see a linear pair on the upside of this horizontal line. So here one angle is given as 120 degree. So we can find this angle. How much it will be? It will be 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. So this angle will be 60 degree. And in the previous slide, we have done another problem like this. So here you can see a slanted line and on the left side there is a linear pair and on the right side there is another linear pair. So you will get this angle as 60 degree. So here we subtracted this 120 from 180 degree. So you got 60 degree here. And on the right side, here there's a 60 degree. So if we subtract this 60 degree from 180 degree, you will get 120 degree. So like that, we can find the four angles. So here you can see if two lines cut across each other, you will get two or four pairs of linear angles. Among the four angles made by two lines cutting across each other, the sum of each pair of nearby angles is 180 degree. Each pair of opposite angles are equal. Here we have seen, when two lines cut across each other, we got four angles. And the sum of each pair of nearby angles, that is linear pair. The sum of angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. And also here we got each pair of opposite angles are equal. Here in the previous slide, we have seen the opposite angles are equal. So let's check one of our previous problem. Here we can see there are two lines cutting across each other, and the sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. And also these opposite angles are equal. Here these opposite angles, that is 105 and 105, are equal. And here also another pair of opposite angles. These two angles are also equal. Okay. So calculate the angles marked in each of the figures below. Write them in the figure. Here also you can see two lines cutting across each other and four angles made. One angle is given. Here one angle is given as 45 degree. So we will get this angle. How much it will be? This will be 45 degree because these two angles are opposite angles. And how can we find other two angles? Here we can see a linear pair. So if we subtract this 45 from 180 degree, we will get 135 degree. And this angle is opposite angle of this 135 degree. So this angle will be, it's also 135 degree. So like that, there are two more problems. Here also one angle is given as 110 degree. So what will be the opposite angle? Opposite angle is same, 110 degree. And also here there is a linear pair. So 180 minus 110 degree is equal to 70 degree. And this angle is opposite angle. So it will be 70 degree. One more problem. Here one angle is given as 135 degree and its opposite. Here we found the linear pair. So 180 minus 135 is equal to 45 degree. And it's here also there is another linear pair, or we can say this angle is opposite angle of this 135. So this angle is also 135 degree, and here also opposite angles 45 degree. So here we have some problems to do. In each figure, some angles are given. Find all other angles. So here two angles are given in this figure. So we have to find the other three angles. How can we find that? Here there is a horizontal line, and above the horizontal line there are three angles, and measure of two angles are given as 70 and 30. So how can we find this third angle? We can add these two angles, that is 70 plus 30 is equal to 100 degree. And if we subtract this 100 from 180 degree, we will get this green angle as 80 degree. Okay. So let's check the other two angles. Here how much will be this angle? Here we can see these angles are opposite angles. That is, this yellow angle is opposite of this 30 degree. So this angle will be also 30 degree. And here there is a large angle. How can we find this angle? Here we can see below this horizontal line there is a linear pair. So 180 degree minus 30 degree is equal to 150 degree. So this angle will be 150 degree. Okay. Next question. Here also two angles are given. We have to find the other three angles. Here what will be this angle? This will be, here we can see a linear pair. So 180 minus 50 degree is equal to 130 degree. And what will be this angle? Here we can see these two blue angles are opposite angles. So this angle will be also 50 degree. And what will be this angle? Here we can see a slanted line. And on the right side of the slanted line, there are three angles. Two angles are given. And if we add this 70 plus 50 is equal to 120 degree. And if we subtract this 120 from 180 degree, 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Next is the third question. Here also 2 angles are given. We have to find the other 4 angles. So first, so what will be this angle? Here we can see there are 2 angles are given, 60 and 40. And if we add these 2 angles, we will get 100. And 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degrees. So this angle will be 80 degree. So next, if we look here, we can see these 2 angles are opposite angles, these black colored angles. So opposite angles are equal. So this angle will be 60 degree. And here also these 2 yellow angles are opposite angles. So this angle will be 80 degree. And here the last 2 angles, these green angles, these are also opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal. So this will be 40 degree. And one more question too. Here one angle is given as 50 degree. And here we can see a square angle, that is this angle will be 90 degree. So we have given 2 angles, one is 90 degree and other one is 50 degree, and we have to find the other angles. Here if we add these 2 angles, that is 90 plus 50 is equal to 140 degree, and subtract this 140 from 180, that is 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degree. So this angle will be 40 degree. And here we can see the other 3 angles are opposite of the above angles. So here these 2 angles are opposite angles. And these 2 are 90 degree. And here these 2 blue angles, these are opposite angles. Therefore this angle will be 40 degree. And here these 2 angles are opposite angles. So this will be 50 degree. So this is our first unit, that is adding angles. So in this unit, you had studied about linear pairs and how to find the angles in a linear pair. And we have studied that the sum of angles in a linear pair is 180 degree and opposite angles are equal. Okay, so here we completed our first unit. So I hope you all enjoyed today's class. And if you liked my class, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming videos. So thank you all.